Hello friends, welcome to our channel Ashanna Ratipelli. In this video, I would like to show you a systematic English grammar.
Doing words. Look at the pictures and repeat after me the sentences given below them. Ashok laughs. Sita walks. Raman runs. The baby cries. Jill skips. Tom sleeps. The sun shines. Fire burns. Birds fly. The girls dance. Fish swim. Boats sail. Have you noticed anything special about the highlighted words? Look again. Yes, they speak about some action. Something about someone doing something. In the sentence 1, the word laugh tells us what Ashok is doing. Similarly, what is Sita doing? She walks. In the same way, runs, cries, skips, sleeps, shine, burns, fly, dance, swim, and sail show an action done by Raman, baby, girl, Tom, the sun, fire, birds, the girls, fish, and boats. Learn. Words which show an action are called verbs. All doing words are verbs. Laughs, walks, runs, cries, skips, sleeps, shines, burns, fly, dance, swim, and sail are all verbs.
Fill in the blanks with a suitable verb from the box. Do not dash food from the vendors. The moon dash at night. Do not dash while eating. Birds dash in the sky. The baby dash in the cot. Do not dash food from the vendors. Do not eat. The moon shines at night. Do not dash while eating. Do not speak while eating. Birds fly in the sky. The baby sleeps in the cot. Match the column to make meaningful sentences. Birds fly. Cats meow. Horses nigh, baby sleep, stars twinkle,
Picture reading. Verbs. Learn some more doing words. They all end in ing. Standing, sitting, writing, reading, painting, crying, walking, running, kicking, sailing, crossing, eating, brushing, drinking, writing, shooting, riding, cooking, smelling, driving, bathing, sleeping, sweeping, swimming, and playing. In all the pictures, we show you how some action ending in ing is being done. Let's now use these action words in sentences. Notice that sometimes verbs consist of more than one word. The boy is standing. The boy is sitting. The girl is writing. The girl is reading. The baby is crying. The man is painting. The boy is crossing the road. The girl is eating a cake. The woman is sweeping. Boys are playing football.
Write 5 action words in the blanks. You dash stage. Swim, climb, rides, sweeps, kicks. You climb stage. Boys dash in the pond. Boys swim in the pond. Raju dash the ball. Kicks the ball. The teacher dash on the blackboard. The teacher writes on the blackboard. The maid dash the floor. Sweep the floor. Give each one of these a suitable doing word. The baker dash the bread, sews, paints, fits, bakes, cuts. The baker bakes the bread. The tailor dash the clothes, shoes. The clothes. The barber dash the hair, cuts the hair. The plumber dash water pipes, fits. The painter dash the pictures, paints.